Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 3rd, 2018, and I'm going to be planting some melon seeds today. Now, I am soaking these melon seeds in my neem oil solution again. It's 1 teaspoon of neem oil concentrate to 1 liter of water. And I have these soaking in here to kill any disease or blight. It should kill them. It should kill the blight. I have them soaking in here also for anthracnose, because that can be on the seeds when you get them and you don't even know it. And so I have these soaking in here. I'm going to be using biodegradable newspaper pots to plant these in because melons don't like to be transplanted. So I'll leave a link below for how I make these and the tool that I use. This is the tool that I use. I have a link down below for one of these as well. And you can see the ones blowing the paper. So we're going to start planting our seeds here. So I have my newspaper pots made. I filled them with the soil. The soil that I'm using is just a regular Miracle-Gro potting mix because I'm starting them outdoors and then they're going to get transplanted to the garden when they come up. And this just gives an extra head start. It helps your seedlings overcome that initial coming up stage, like when like your cutworms try and get them or something, because we've had issues with those before, and it just makes they nip your crops off and then they just let them lay there. So we're gonna go through and get these planted here. Now I'm planting a house best cantaloupe here, and this works for all types of melon seeds, the method that I'm using. And hold on a minute here. In here. I got 2 extra somehow. I did that, but oh well. And house best cantaloupe is an heirloom. We've had it before, and it's really good. To me, it tasted like eating candy because that's how sweet it was. So I'm going to finish planting these, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so I got all these planted, and it's not that I don't want to show you the whole process of planting. It's the wind is blowing so much it actually blew over my container of neem oil, so I had to refill that, and it blew my newspapers all over the place. So I can't put the camera on a tripod because the wind would just knock it over. So I'm just covering these up here. We're supposed to be getting rain today, maybe. The storm's blowing through. So I have my neem oil here, and I'm just going to go over this and give them some more. Now as soon as these come up, I'm going to give them a second dose of it just to make sure. And I already did that on the other ones that I sowed. Okay, so now I finished applying the neem oil to these. What I'm actually going to do after I label them, I'll just show you this here on camera, is I'm going to snap these shut. This is going to make like a little miniature greenhouse, and I'll show you some over here. These are some miniature greenhouses over here that I have stuff planted in. It's going to help hold the heat in, and it's going to make our stuff germinate faster, and it's going to also help protect some from if it gets a little cooler out, because it's going to keep the heat in. I have zinnias growing right now, and some of these you can't see down in, I'm sorry. And I did some watermelon seeds this way, and this is a way to get a jump start on your stuff outside by using these. Now normally I start these a lot sooner, but because I believe it was on Sunday we had snow, so it kind of put me behind some with getting this done. I normally start them sooner. So this is how I plant melon seeds. You can use the Jiffy organic seed starting mix, but I can tell you outside it's going to dry out a lot faster. I can put a link down below for that. And if you don't want to use the newspaper pots, you can use the Jiffy pots. I'll put a link down below for those as well in the description. And you can start these out in your garden, like in hills, but I find that starting them this way is a lot better. I tried them before in the garden, really didn't get a harvest of anything. So, I just like doing them this way. So as soon as these come up and sprout, I'll come back with another video and I'll show you what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.